check this old silo out. So I'm on my old family farm here. Lots of fill in here. Lots of driveway base. Bricks and concrete.
Running like an animal. Running like an animal. I wanna jump straight off from these great heights. Close my eyes, one last high dive. Say a prayer for me. I wanna cut through waves, erase the noise, build it high, blow up the dark room, write it in the sky. You're running like an animal, away from the buzzsaw. Running like an animal, away from the buzzsaw. I wanna feel this world like it was my own, but I'm just too scared. The valleys are so wide, it's really strange to me. I know that it goes fast, but it feels like forever. As far as the eye, I'm walking so damn blind. I feel now what I can see. I'm running like an animal, away from the buzzsaw. I'm running like an animal, away from the buzzsaw. Shadows crawl deep under thunderclouds. Your heart's blind. Takes winter time. Running like an animal, shadows crawl away from the buzzsaw. Deep under thunderclouds. Running like an animal, away from the buzzsaw. Running like an animal, away from the buzzsaw. Running like an animal, away from the buzzsaw. Away from the buzzsaw.
right, welcome back. Let's go around, show you what we got going on. This silo has seen better days. Don't know the date of it, but it's brick, and as you can see, it needs to come down. So eventually we can use this material as fill, but we need to clean out the old barnyard first. Take down that tree. Been finding a bunch of treasures in here, so I kind of got everything sorted out. This is the burn pile. We got fill, big chunks of concrete there. This brick has wire, and as we get wire, we're taking it on the scrap trailer there. So I took those bricks, as you could see, and mixed it with this dirt. That way I could at least have some type of solid landing here for maybe a dump trailer or the machine to work on. It's gonna get rainy here, it's still spring, so I don't want to be full of mud every time I come back here. So hopefully this settles in a little bit with all that brick. All right, well, that's gonna wrap this one up. If you like these videos, please leave me a like, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next video.